Welcome to the Crypto Show. I'm on my break right now. It's still just a cook, trying to survive. Getting these intangible coins. Let's go do the btcusd chart breakdown. I'm going to pull up the chart for you guys. We're going to analyze. First, let's go on CoinMarketCap. Let's see the status of Bitcoin, where price has fluctuated over the last 24 hours. For everyone who bought Bitcoin, you should still be in profit. Boom, boom, boom. Let's let this load. There we go. Get that started. CoinMarketCap. Tonight I should be buying a few different coins. I'm probably going to do that live, show y'all how to get Ripple. I just got my new exchange wallet. Bitcoin is at $18,000, which is still at a good point of structure. Structure wasn't broken yet, so we're just seeing a retracement, small retracement of the move of the last push. Then we can get into price projections with our Fibonacci extensions. Alright, as we can see, price is at $18,000. It's gone down 3% in the last 24 hours, but Ripple. Remember when I told y'all to buy Ripple is at 25 cents. It's at 80 cents now. It has increased dramatically. And the other one, Cardano, which is ADA, which you can also find in Binance. Binance has it at a much cheaper rate. I think it's at 48 cents if I'm not mistaken. ADA, this is going to be pushing really good in the next few months. It's backed up by 95 PhD students. So that is a really good investment. You want to invest in Cardano. And you want to invest in Ripple if you have the opportunity to. Those are the investments I'm starting to look at. NEO is a great investment. Last week it was at 42 bucks. It almost nearly doubled. It's at $73 right now. It's something that you should also look into. Bitconnect has dropped down, but the value of the coin has increased. Let's go check out our intangible coins. Let's see how much we have earned from our cryptos today. If you don't have a Bitconnect account, you can see it in the description. You can sign up. Start your loan and start earning crypto today. I also have the Coinbase wallet link if you need a wallet. I'm going to add my Binance link if you need a exchange wallet, which is it's based out of China. It's not an American-based market yet. But with the tax reform that is coming out, we should see Binance in the near future, sometime in the first quarter of the year. Not a robot. So you can see today I've earned a few dollars. Soon I get to reinvest this $10 in active investments. I'm up over 66%, and that's under less than 2 months. I'm up on my crypto account. As y'all can see, the transparency, everything goes up slowly but surely. This is our daily interest. Let's see what the daily interest is going to be for the payout tomorrow. Boom, 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 boom. And then after this, we're going to have some fun, marking up btcusd. It's only 0.11% tomorrow, which is fine. That's no pressure because I also have a different coin, Hextracoin, because you gotta invest in multiple coins. You don't want to just leave all your eggs in one basket. Like I have 3 or 4 coins by now. I'm trying to increase it and get multiple. I want to have at least 10 coins by the end of next year, hopefully. And I'm working on my portfolio. Here we go, the markup. btcusd Coinbase. Boom. First of all, what happened to my btcusd? Boom. Get that back in. What happened? This was not the markup. I can't find it. This has failed to open. I think my internet connection was failing. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Show y'all that I'm making interest off this Hextracoin. It's still valued around $22, but I've made off the interest so far 3%. Show y'all this. The link is also in the description if you're interested in getting any of these intangible coins. Boom, that's paid out. See, it's at 21.77. Price is great. It's gonna find structure and it's gonna shoot up in the next few months. A lot of these coins you want to invest in and do your research on. You just don't want to buy any random coin. The reasons, like most of the coins that I do look into, I do a lot of, during my downtime, a lot of research behind it. Like, let me get back to Cardano. Like, 95 PhD students backing this up. Like, do you think that's gonna fail? Like, they all went to school for software. They're all computer nerds, by the way. So this is their world. And you have Bill Gates that's investing $80 million into this new smart city, which is gonna incorporate a lot of this new cryptocurrency, a lot of this new age technology that's going to be expanded on in the next few months. You have Tesla working on different projects of hybrids, and this is all going hand in hand with the crypto world, because a lot of these bigger companies are going to be taking payments in Bitcoin and Ripple, Litecoin, Ethereum, because it's a much easier transaction. You don't have to pay all those bigger taxes like dealer fees and et cetera, et cetera. This is peer-to-peer, so if I have the funds that's adequate to make the transaction, all I have to do is send the amount. And that's what's really neat about this new decentralizing the whole bank situation that most people fear. Like, a lot of people are not knowledgeable behind what's going on, but the change is coming. You can't avoid change. Every so often we do something traumatic and it changes. A lot of people get upset. They're not ahead of the curve. They're not aware. I mean, it happens, but eventually, like, I give it 10 years. We might not even have fiat currency. I'm not saying it's going to be obsolete, but we're veering off from that age, that time where fiat was the thing. Like, intangible coin is the new hip thing. Everyone likes to pay from their cell phone. A lot of people have apps. Like, they pay from their apps. Like, it's becoming more convenient to use your smartphone as a form of a payment than having the cash on demand or having the credit card and et cetera, et cetera. But now to figure out why my Bitcoin analysis won't pop up. There we go. There goes all my technical. Hey, remember I told y'all about that sell, right? Here's the first take profit. That sell retested. That structure's solid. It was broken right here. You know, Let's go into the 4-hour. Check this out real quick. Yes, structure's nice. Retest. That sell is mighty strong right now. Using this as support and resistance right here. Beautiful. This is what makes that sell accurate. This is why I like waiting. And then we have a cross of the EMA on the 4-hour. That is beautiful. Everyone get ready to buy. Get ready to buy around these price range. Once price hits around this range, you're going to be loving it. I'm getting ready to buy Bitcoin soon. So everyone that's selling, that's in fear, oh my God, Bitcoin's going up. No, it's just continuing structure. It hasn't broke the 23.6 area. It could come here, boom, retest, and continue up. It's market structure. I've been breaking it down with price action using trend lines, EMAs as indicator, the ADX as an indicator for momentum of which my bias should be. Red, the D negative is over the D positive, which means that the sellers have control right now, and they just gained control. So let's see what happens with the momentum that they have over the next few days, next few hours, you know. Because this is our 4-hour candle, which means it takes 4 hours for one of these candles to be formed. So if we go down, alright, let me do this real quick to give y'all an example of what I mean by that. Take this rectangle. This setup right here is where you would have found your opportunity to sell. Boom. Right there. That would have been your sell opportunity. And our buy opportunity is around this 38.2 after it closes. So we're going to take this 4-hour structure and go down to the 1 hour. Same area. Boom. You feel me? You have this one variation engulfing. Boom. Came back. It broke it. Retest on that trend line. Held. Retest again. Then it continued to shoot down. Once it got here and broke and closed lower than this candle right here, this is what gives you the confirmation. Like, this is a safe entry down here. Boom. Once you see that it respected that EMA, you know, that gave you the confirmation, no, alright, it's ready to sell after all of this occurred. But you're waiting for all of these candles to open and close. Once they open and close, you have a better bias on your trade. You just don't want to enter the trade just, oh, it's going down, oh, it's going up. You need confirmation. If you don't, you are going to burn yourself out. I've witnessed thousands of people start Forex or start trading or get into crypto, lose money, and fail because of the lack of knowledge. Not because, like, it's hard or it's a scam or anything. It's a lack of knowledge. That's why people lose money when they invest. If you don't know what you're doing, you're just gambling at that point. A lot of people say it's all gambling. I don't believe it's all gambling. I feel like it's structured analytics. If you understand numbers and price and support and resistance, you're going to win. Like, how do people win out here? It's practice. They practice. They continue, you know, to study these charts every day. That's what it takes, dedication. Once you get that out the way, you're fine. Like, this is easy cake. And if you're following my journey, like, subscribe, comment, do all of that, because I'm going to continue to be producing these types of videos. Like, I'm giving you breakdowns. These are straight nugs, like straight nugs, like 1800. I already told you my percent. First quarter of 2018, we're seeing 20K. I don't care what nobody says. We're seeing 20K. The retracement's not that bad. If we go on the daily chart, like, it hasn't broke on the daily. Like, nothing on the daily shows, like, right here for this daily. This is where you would have a little bit of fear, but like, structure is kind of maintaining, it's consolidating within this range. Price hasn't escaped this area yet, so there's really no sign of what Bitcoin is going to do. But based off the confirmations that we have on the smaller time frame between the H1 and the H4, we see a lot of sellers in the market, So we wait and react. So soon, I'm going to be showing live trades. I just need to get my, account with a broker that allows me to use btcusd as a trading pair. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. Let me know. Let's get this poppin'. Pip Crypto Show.